today's video, I'm going to be talking about manufacturing, how production jobs can be processed within capacity planning, what your process steps are, and what your product tree can look like, how that all incorporates with one another, how you get your job profitability and your build profitabilities from that. But as usual, if you haven't watched the main demo video on how all of these modules are interlinked with one another and how they are sold complete with our TrueERP system, please go ahead and watch that video. But for now, we're going to talk about manufacturing. So the first thing what we can do is we can look at our product list of our manufactured products. We're going to look at our wagon here, our child's red wagon, and once we've clicked into the product card, we go into manufacturing and we can see the tree, if I can say that, regards around this product. So we can see what this product is made up from. So we can see handle, tray, the wheel assembly with this, the choices of different types of wheels or tires that we can use with that, the different choices of colors, and so on. We can see we can add descriptions with this tree, as well as the quantities that is involved with the production of this product, what units of measure they're in, what that unit cost is, and labor around these assemblies for this product. So if we look here, if we look at this process tab over here, we can drag this around if we choose so, but with this process tab we can see what type of assembly takes place with this. So we can see an assembly of 50 minutes, no setup time, no breakup time, and so on. So you can go ahead and set up different assemblies for your different types of products or different fields within creating this product. Again, you can add process steps, add durations, and so on. Again, if we scroll to the right, we can see other options here. So if there's a price matrix with it and what those unit of measures are regards to with that. From within here, you can copy this, print this, and again move things around and customize this the way you want it to be. Again, if you want to see more options, simply right click. You can add branches, add products, insert and delete from within here. Double click and it can take you back to what makes that up. So we can see our products here. Again, double click to take you back to the product express list. If you want to rename, you can rename on the fly if you choose so. Again, numerous amounts of options here, and again whether this is an active product or not. We're going to not save those changes, jump back out, and again within your manufactured product list you can have numerous amounts of manufactured products. Again, double click and it will take you back to what makes that up. If we jump back out of here now, jump out of here. So if we now go do a simple sales order for that wagon, drop in a customer, and we'll say wagon, select this one. Now you can select pop-ups when doing sales orders or invoices or so on. I've selected a pop-up to view my process tree. Now I have not set a price for my wagon product or a designated price because I want my guys to be able to alter that price because of the different product prices. And what I mean by that is we can change these Bridgestone wheels at any time. So if I wish to make these Bridgestone wheels in this build Dunlop wheels, that price might vary, or the standard wheels might be cheaper, so that'll change the outcome of that main price. So if we change our options here, we can see our main price does vary, so that just gives you the option. Again, these are all options. If you want your guys to be able to do that, you can set that up. Otherwise, just give it a designated price and not allowing this process tree option. But as you see, I can change this as on the fly, and that will change the outcome of the price. Go ahead and save that. We can now see that our wagon is in quantity 1, and we're going to go ahead and save this. There we go. Hit save, and there we go. Now that we've done our sales order, if we go back to our product list, and we look at our wagon, we can see now if there's been any changes. We can see what's on build, what's building, what's on build, what's available, what's been allocated to sales orders, back orders, what's in stock, what's in order, and so on. So a huge amount of information here. Again, wherever you are, simply double click and it will take you back to what makes that up. So huge amount of information here in regards to all your different products, their preferred suppliers, what products are active, what products are inactive, and all of those. And again, you can search with date ranges for whatever products you want to see at the top of here. Jump back out. If we now jump into our purchases module, we can see our purchase order was created, our smart order was created. For that, we can see here the job, it was for Acme rockets. So we can see here, we can go ahead and create our purchase orders. If we choose, bring all those goods in, give it a supply invoice number, give it a date, hit save, and those purchase orders have now been brought in. We can now go into our manufacturing and look at our capacity planning revolved around that. So we can see what has been scheduled to be on build and what's going on our factory floor, who's doing what sort of work is being done for what company here. We can see wagon assembly, what's been scheduled, what hasn't been scheduled, and those times around that. Again, a huge amount of information. Highlight your selected area, right click, you can show order status, you can flag this as complete, flag as started, you can complete to invoice. We can print job details. So if we go ahead and print job details, we can see the information around this specific job detail. We can manually schedule all of these, or we can auto schedule all of these items within capacity planning. I'm going to go ahead and say auto schedule. That'll open up the items to be scheduled. We can see they've all been ticked and what reference they are to what customer and what is the product. So we're going to say select all, hit OK, wait for that to update. And there we go, we've auto scheduled those items, and we can see again what type of processes are going on. When will they be available? When will they be complete? Again, we can scroll to the right, huge amount of information here. We're going to go ahead and save that. That'll then update our build profitability, production orders, and so on. So huge amount of information here. Again, we can see for that customer, that wagon we did, sold, shipped, tree items regards to that, the quantities, and again, the moment you'd like to see any reports or any charts related to these, you can jump into the manufacturing reports and you can look at a whole different variety of reports related to this module. So if you want to see job timesheets, simply double click and it will populate all the job timesheets here. If we jump back out, production job status, simply double click and it will show you the information around those production jobs. So there we are, that's your manufacturing module. This is again just a brief skim over what the manufacturing module can do for you. I haven't even come close to the power of this module and our system. This again was just a brief overview of some of the features that we can do for you. If you'd like to know more about our software, about TrueERP, please give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you. So there we are, that's your basic manufacturing features. Thanks for watching.